We are together and we are one. I look at the same path, I walk the same land, but you still say we can't join hands. My rights are equal, but after one tragic event, you defined me as evil. You put a sign on us that said, we are not a part of your people. You see, the world today, it seems like you mainly just need an excuse. Something happens and you have to blame someone or something and state it as the truth. While beyond all the stereotypical ideas and thoughts of Islam, and all the hate we receive, we still remain calm. We sing along to the Star-Spangled Banner. It too is also my favorite song. We pledge of allegiance to the United States of America, the 13 original colonies, and the 50 stars in the flag. So they asked me where I'm from. I was born in the land of the free. My mom was born on the other side of the sea, raised in Somalia, and they say America is from sea to sea. At least that's what it says in Manifest Destiny. I am a Muslim, you are a Christian, he or she may be Jewish or any other religion, but I still treat them the same as a human being, so listen. Hear my message and script it. I'm trying to tell you that we should become humanity instead of diversing ourselves over religion, because we live together and we died together. So if you didn't already know, this life isn't forever, so join my hand and let us walk this world peacefully together.